Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these Rome research explorations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this tool. Today we're diving into Mobincube, a platform found at www.mobincube.com that lets you build your own mobile apps. This isn't a sponsored video, I just stumbled upon it and wanted to share my findings. Mobincube offers a tiered system, including a free option, which is what I've been experimenting with. It appears to be quite powerful, providing a drag-and-drop interface for creating apps, and even allowing integration with external databases. From what I've gathered so far, you can craft various app types, from simple informational brochures to more complex applications involving user interactions and data management. I haven't fully explored all its capabilities yet, but I'm impressed by the initial ease of use and the range of functionalities available, especially considering the free tier's offerings. I'm particularly interested in its potential for rapid prototyping and testing app ideas without needing extensive coding knowledge. The website itself is straightforward to navigate, offering tutorials and documentation to guide you through the process. They seem to cater to both beginners and more experienced users. I've only scratched the surface, but I can already envision several use cases for this platform, particularly for creating companion apps for existing projects or quickly deploying mobile versions of web-based information. I'm eager to delve deeper into the more advanced features and see what else Mobincube has to offer. My initial impression is definitely positive, and I encourage you to check it out if you're interested in mobile app development without complex coding. The platform's accessibility and potential power seem to make it a compelling option for a wide range of users. I'll keep you updated on my progress and discoveries as I continue exploring Mobincube. Be sure to let me know in the comments if you have any experience with this platform and what your thoughts are.